my name is Dawn and this is my review of the 10-inch MATELOTI hanging self-watering flower pots. I was provided this product for review. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed and take a look at what we have. All right, so inside you do get a user manual that allows you to get some more information on the product itself, how to use it, and how to put it together. Other components in here are the chains. These are hanging flower pots. We've got the two inserts, the rope that provides for that self-watering feature, and the two exterior pots. All right, so you'll see there are two holes, two larger holes. We're just gonna feed that through on either side. This is the bottom, and you'll see that there are slots where this clicks into place. I'm gonna align that, and then if we turn clockwise, it should lock. There we go, secure. So you can see that that absorbent rope is funneling down into that bottom section, which is where the water is gonna be. There is this opening here, and that's where you water from. And then you can either leave these on there or take them on and off, but this provides you with a watering lip. So I'm gonna slide this into place. So if you're using a watering can, this allows you to tilt up and not have to like tilt the pot itself, which is a nice feature. And again, you can either leave those in place or pop them on and off as you water. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that one. We'll go ahead and get the second one put together as well. So again, you're just feeding the absorbent rope through the holes built in or drilled into the bottom of the main planter. You're gonna align with the notches here on the bottom section, and then again, turn clockwise, and that should lock right into place. And then just so you can see what it looks like with the chain. Large hook at the top, so you'll hang from either a planter, like a shepherd's hook, tree branch, and then you've got, again, 3 holes right along the outside. And there you are. Got your hanging planter.